Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I made my lovely yam porridge, Asaro, whatever you call it. And yeah, enjoy the video. So the first thing I'm adding is my oil, and then I'm adding a little bit of palm oil because I love palm oil, but you don't have to use it, it's very optional. It's up to you basically. Then I'm adding my onions and frying them until it's like soft basically. And you can do all of this process in a different pan and then transfer it into a pot if you don't want the bottom of the pot to be like burned, to be like jollof rice, that kind of thing. Because I'm basically using like a jollof rice recipe for this, a B-Tech one by the way. So basically after adding my Peppermix, I'm just basically going to season it with all of the, you guys know all of the classics, you know, Lagos chili pepper, Maggi, salt, all pepper seasoning, all of that basically. And I must say you can add fish, stocked fish, dried fish, chicken. You can use any of that to garnish your porridge, but I just like keeping it simple for the first time, yeah, I know. So I'm gonna be not doing it. After adding the tomato puree, I just basically allowed it to fry until the oil came to the top basically. And like I said again, you can do this in a different pan and then transfer it into like the spot after doing that, if that makes sense. So you could have had your yam already boiling in a pot and then add the sauce to it and then mix it. That's how, and a lot of people make their yam porridge like that, but I just don't like making yam like that. I don't know, I would rather make it the jollof rice way, if that makes sense to you guys. So yeah, and then at this point I'm just gonna leave it to cook for like 40 minutes until it's soft, basically as soft as you want it to be. And then yeah, and then when it's done after 40 minutes, we're just going to match it basically. My family members love their porridge very much, but I really don't. So that's why it's like that, because I don't know why. I want to be able to still eat yam, if that makes sense. But yeah, the porridge was still yummy and alright. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't. Also share with your family and friends, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.